Are you an iPhone user who also uses a Windows PC? Do you struggle with transferring files, taking calls, and staying connected between your devices? Introducing Intel Unison, the ultimate solution for seamless connectivity between your iPhone and Windows PC. With Intel Unison, transferring files between your iPhone and Windows PC has never been easier. You can simply drag and drop files between your devices without the need for cables or complicated software. Intel Unison also allows you to take and make calls from your Windows PC using your iPhone. This means you can stay connected even when your phone is out of reach. And if you're an iPhone user who needs access to iOS apps on your Windows PC, Intel Unison has got you covered. You can access your iPhone apps directly from your Windows PC, making it easier than ever to stay productive on the go. Intel Unison also makes it easy to work on the same document across multiple devices. You can edit and save a document on your iPhone, and continue working on it seamlessly on your Windows PC. And for Android users, Intel Unison offers the same seamless connectivity and productivity features. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple devices. Try Intel Unison today and experience the ease of seamless connectivity between your iPhone, Windows PC, and Android devices. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment down below.